Hello everyone, welcome to Blind Tech Explorer YouTube channel. This is our first video regarding PC or laptop in our YouTube channel. So after this you will be able to see videos regarding or tutorials regarding PC together with mobile in our YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, this is our first tutorial. So today we're going to look about NVDA basic settings. So we haven't provided a video related regarding how to install NVDA, but if you need that tutorial, you can let us know at the comment box below. So we will try to make the tutorial also. So now, after install NVDA, we need to do some settings in our NVDA, or NVDA have its specific or its settings itself to make sure the NVDA work properly, or we also can adjust some settings according to our need. So we're going to look about it one by one in today's tutorial. So before start, don't forget to subscribe this channel for those who are new viewer for this YouTube channel. And then if you like this video, don't forget to give your comments, share and give your likes to this video. So without any delay, let's jump to the tutorial straightly.
Rate 40, rate 35, rate 30, rate 35, rate 25.
So I hope this will be convenient, and let's go.
Folder view list, Op Studio 9.
Alright, I'm going to open NVDA menu. Let's explore our NVDA menu first.
NVDA menu.
Okay, if you come to the NVDA menu, you will be able to find few options here.
Preferences sub exit X.
First option will be exit. If you click on this, your NVDA will be stop. Okay, let's try.
Exit NVDA dialog. What would you like to do? Combo box exit collapse Alt plus D.
Okay, it will give you a dialog box here.
OK button.
If you click OK, the NVDA will be turned off.
Cancel button.
If you click cancel, it not will be turned off.
Desktop list, Op Studio 9 of.
Alright, let's go again to the NVDA menu.
NVDA menu.
Okay, the second option will be
Preferences sub menu P.
preference. If you click here, you will be able to find NVDA settings and etc. So we will look about it in next tutorial. If we can look about it in this tutorial, we'll be look it, but I think that we not be able to look in this tutorial because the duration will be longer. So let's explore the NVDA menu first in today's tutorial.
Tool sub menu T.
Okay, let's click on
Preferences sub menu P.
preference.
Settings S.
Okay, you will be able to find the settings.
Speech dictionary sub menu D.
Speech dictionary.
Punctuation slash symbol pronunciation P.
Okay, punctuation slash
Speed punctuation slash symbol pronunciation P.
yeah, punctuation slash symbol pronunciation. You can adjust here.
Input gestures N.
You can see your input gestures here.
Settings S.
Okay, it's back to the top of the page, which is settings. So next will be, sorry for that,
Desktop list Ops NVDA menu. Prefer exit X.
Okay, we already look about exit.
Preferences submenu P.
We already look about the preferences.
Tool submenu T.
Let's look at tools. What we have. Let's click enter.
View log V.
Okay,
Remote submenu E. Reload remote view log V.
it will have view here,
Speech viewer S.
speech viewer,
Braille viewer B.
braille viewer,
Python console P.
Python console.
Manage add-ons A.
Okay, manage add-ons, which means you can manage your NVDA add-ons. For those who didn't know what is that NVDA add-ons, actually it's extra or tools for we do some actions with NVDA extra tools. So we will look on NVDA add-ons later in upcoming tutorials. Don't worry about that.
Create portable copy C.
Okay, here you can create portable copy with your NVDA.
Run COM registration fixing tool R.
Okay, run com fixing registration.
Create run COM registration fixing tool R.
Yeah, run com registration fixing tools.
Reload plugins R.
Okay, we have reload plugins,
Remote submenu E.
remote.
View log V.
Okay, that's all we have in this tools.
Desk shutdown desktop list. NVDA menu.
Okay, next we already look about
Exit X.
exit.
Preferences submenu P.
We already look about preferences.
Tool submenu T.
We also already look about tools.
Help submenu H.
Next, here, if we click on this help menu,
User guide U.
you will able to find a user guide. In this user guide, you will be able to find shortcut keys and etc.
Commands quick reference Q.
And then you will be able to find commands quick reference.
What's new N?
What's new? You can know latest update of NVDA.
NVDA website W.
You can visit your NVDA website here.
License I.
You can view the license also.
Contributors O.
Contributors.
Welcome dialog L.
Welcome dialog.
Check for update C.
You can check for update for your current NVDA here.
About A.
You can read about NVDA also.
User guide U.
Alright, these are the section that we have in help menu.
Desk shutdown. Desktop list. NVDA menu.
Okay,
Preference tools help sub configure help tool preferences submenu exit X.
we already look about exit.
Preferences submenu P.
We already look about preferences.
Tool submenu T.
We already look about tools.
Help submenu H.
We already look about help.
Configuration profiles. Revert the saved configuration profiles C.
Next will be configuration profiles.
Revert the saved configuration R.
Okay,
Reset configuration to factory defaults R.
alright.
Save configuration S. Donate D. Exit X.
Alright, these are the section which you can found in NVDA menu.
Desk shutdown Windows. Desk.
So that's all for our today's tutorial. We will look about the NVDA settings in upcoming tutorials because this video is already become a long duration. So to avoid bothering and to avoid long duration, we will divide this tutorial to separate parts. Alright, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and give your comment and share this video to those who are needed. And if you want to join our community, especially our Telegram channel, you can find the link at the description box below. And then if you want to join our WhatsApp group, you can give your comment. You can ask at the comment box. I will provide you the link there. So Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good day. See you in upcoming tutorials. See you soon. Bye bye.